Loaded, set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have run and gun, break quickly, restart, rushing about the outside is King Wash. Kuto in the middle portion, now is fly like an eagle and going along for the first turn. It's now King Wash. Kuto by hurling any hop, moving upon the outside, fly like an eagle. Running by the rail is Run and Gun. Tabing Ilog is on the outside port, then 3 lengths further back in Pip comes Barrio, San Jose, then followed by G's Jewel. Next in line now is Watermania, while Real Value is the early trailer. Back to the leader, we have King Wash Kuto, Run and Gun, moving up down on the inside to take the lead. And on the outside now is Tabing Ilog, Barrio, San Jose is down in port, fly like an eagle comes next, G's Jewel, Watermania comes next, while Real Value is still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Run and Gun by about 2 lengths. Barrio, San Jose now to take second, and in third comes Tabing Ilog. King Wash Kuto comes next. Last 100 meters, we have Run and Gun. Barrio, San Jose is on the outside. It's now Barrio, San Jose, and finally Barrio, San Jose. Run and Gun, Tabing Ilog, King Wash Kuto, Watermania, fly like an eagle.
For our race number 1, the favorite, entry number 4, that's Barrio, San Jose. Mas segundo, numero 1, Run and Gun, 8, Tabing Ilog, 7, King Wash Kuto, at numero 2, Watermania. 41872, unofficial placing. Let us all watch the replay.